Welcome to day one of Be a Builder. For the next 10 days, we are going to go step by step to build an app from start to finish. Join us every morning at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for a new video and share your progress on Twitter and get a chance to win fun prizes. Now, for this adventure, I want to give you some background. We will be building an app to help Astronomica, our custom Astro doll manufacturing company, to improve their business so that they can make more Astro plushies. So you can either follow along and build the same app we are, or you can apply these learnings to an app you want to build for yourself or for your company. So for day one, we will be talking about the first topic, which is to identify the problem. This is where it all starts. And I'm super excited to chat with Senior Admin Evangelist Jillian Bruce about how to get into that mindset of improving and streamlining businesses' processes by building cool apps. So let's go talk to her. Welcome everyone to day one of Be a Builder. I'm here with Jillian Bruce.
Hello, everyone.
And Jillian, I have a problem.
Oh no, Rebecca. Tell me about your problem.
All right, so I am with a company called Astronomica, which is a great company because they are a custom Astro plushie manufacturer.
Oh, that sounds cool. Like where I get my rainbow unicorn Astro from?
Or like my mini Astro.
Ooh.
And so they're using Salesforce right now, the sales team is, to sell these cute custom designs, which is really great. But once they make the sale, they actually fill out a spreadsheet with all the data about what they've sold, how many, the size, the design, who they're working with, and then they send that via email to a project manager.
Oh boy.
And then that project manager sends it to other people, and then they update the data when they have a status on the project, and then they email it back and forth. And it's just become a big mess, and I need help.
You need a lot of help. Your company, Astronomica, needs a lot of help because those spreadsheets, those emails, oh, woof. That's got to be hard. A lot of data that doesn't get captured, gets overwritten. It's slow. I mean,
Exactly.
This is a perfect opportunity, Rebecca, to build an app.
Really?
Those spreadsheets, those emails back and forth, that is an app begging to be built.
I mean, that sounds pretty amazing, but also kind of daunting, building an app from scratch. How do I even get started with that?
Well, it's not that daunting because there's some simple first steps you can do when you're identifying your problem to help you frame how you want to build your app. So the first thing I would do is go talk to your salespeople and maybe bring them maybe not a rainbow unicorn Astro, but a little Astro, and have them show you how they use Salesforce. Ask them to show you how they complete a sale or maybe move a sale along a certain process. See where they're clicking. See what processes are already in Salesforce. And then the fun part starts. The fun part starts when you look at what happens after Salesforce. So this is the messy part. This is when you try and figure out what those emails and all those spreadsheets going back and forth, what processes are they tracking? What is the data in there that they're looking at, and who is looking at it? Why does it matter? So it's, looking at how your users are already using Salesforce and then looking at what is not in Salesforce, trying to identify that.
That sounds like a really useful thing to do. So, okay, I'm going to start with talking to Mary about how she's using Salesforce currently, because she's one of our top-rated sales people. And then I'm going to figure out kind of what the spreadsheet looks like and the data and the processes they're currently doing manually.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's going to give you a great start. And by getting those two pieces of information and identifying that problem, you're going to be set up for success as you start to build your app.
Great. Thank you so much, Jillian. That's super helpful.
Absolutely. Good luck.
Bye. Wow, that was great. I learned so much from Jillian about identifying the problem. But really, it's identifying opportunities to app all the things. So to summarize, my main takeaways were, one, that you really want to understand how your users currently use Salesforce. What features are they using and how? But you don't want to stop there. You also really want to understand the big picture. So you want to know how your business operates. Knowing what happens inside of Salesforce and outside of Salesforce will help you so you can build an app that really meets all the requirements and takes into consideration outside processes. So with that, now it's your turn. Take today to evaluate areas of your business where you think you could build an app that would improve a process or collaboration or project management. And if you need some inspiration, I've listed a blog post right here by Mike Gerholt. Mike talks about some really creative ways to use Salesforce that will definitely get you thinking outside of the box. And then be sure to join us tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific time for day 2 of Be a Builder to learn how to gather requirements to ensure that you have all the information you need to start building your app. See you then.